After years of delays, we'll have to wait even longer to find out if the accused Boulder King Soopers shooter will be tried by a local jury.
His defense attorneys are asking for a change of venue, while the judge promises, though, the trial will start this year. Denver 7's Danielle Kreuter was in the courtroom this morning. She has details.
A big question surrounding the case of the accused King Soopers shooter is if the trial will be held here in Boulder. Both sides made their arguments to a judge on Tuesday.
So I'm confident Chief Judge Bakke will carefully consider all of the pending motions and issue decisions when she's had a chance to analyze the motion.
A big decision to be made by the Boulder judge: keep the trial against the accused King Soopers shooter in Boulder or change the venue. If you ask family of the victims, the answer is clear.
I think it should stay in this community, and he should be judged by his peers in this community, or the people in this community.
Robert Old's niece, Ricky Olds, was killed that day in 2021. He sat in court as defense attorneys argued that things like media coverage and even public memorials to honor the victims has made it impossible to sit an unbiased jury in Boulder County.
Why? Do they want us to forget the 10 people that he murdered? How does that influence somebody's opinion on whether he did it or not? Whether they can be impartial to listen to the evidence, which is overwhelming in this case.
The judge is the only one who can make the decision.
MSU Denver professor of criminal justice Denise Mauder says the exposure to publicity of the case is usually sorted out in jury selection.
We can ask the jury, have you read about this? He can ask the jury, are you on Facebook? Are you on Instagram?
Another task for the judge to decide if jury selection should be closed to the public. The defense is asking for no press and no victim family members to be present.
Under the Victims' Rights Act, the victims have a right to be present for critical stages of all proceedings, and that includes jury selection.
As far as sequestering the jury, I just don't see that going to happen. As far as keeping the victims out of the courtroom, that's just not going to happen.
The issue of where the trial will be held is expected to be resolved by the end of August. In Boulder, I'm Danielle Kreuter, Denver 7.
However, while the judge decides, hundreds of jurors in Boulder County still expected to be called later this summer to begin questionnaires for possible jury duty.